What we do here is go back.
Hello everybody, this is the Bulldozer. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Backwoods, before we get started with this video here, I'm going to use just a little bit of your content. I'm not going to monetize this or anything, but maybe somebody on YouTube might be able to give us these answers. So I wasn't going to originally upload this video and list it, but I'm going to list it after, because I already made this video once before, and I think, well, let me release the video, and somebody might have an answer that might help us figure out what's going on, because it does absolutely make no sense. Either you have sound in the video or you don't. So, but again, maybe somebody will give us some answers. Backwoods Mindset is a part of a large community. If you have not heard of him, check him out. His link will be in the description. We got the Crockers, Shootdang Ranch, Jared Crocker, Danielle, Jason Crocker, just a bunch of people. We got their parents, Simply Southern. Just a bunch of great people that has some awesome content. So if you like that type of content, make sure you check them out. Hit them up with a like on their videos if their content is for you. Smash that subscribe button, because they put out a bunch of content, folks. But here's the problem we're having today. So hopefully somebody here on YouTube will be able to give us some idea. Went to watch this video on the computer today. Okay. Now, usually if you got a sound if you're trying to watch a video on YouTube, either you're not going to be able to hear the sound or you are. It's a yes or no thing. But here's the problem. His intro is playing fine. As soon as his video starts after his intro, the video is muted. So I said, okay. So I signed out of YouTube, signed back into YouTube, restarted the computer, did all that stuff. Still the same problem. I sent the video to my TV. The video plays absolutely fine. There is nothing wrong with his sound. I started the video from scratch. His intro played. He starts talking right after the intro. So again, if somebody out there can make any sense of this, please let us know. I don't see how it could be anything on my end, because the audio is working during the intro. It's not until he starts talking that it's his video he recorded for that day that's after his intro that is muted. So again, I'm going to show you exactly what's taking place. I'm going to play his intro, and you're going to see, I won't say anything, you're going to see as soon as his intro starts, or after it ends I should say, his video is going to be muted. Let's check this out.
Hey everybody, Maddie here with Backwoods Mindset.
As you see now, there is no audio to his video, none whatsoever.
I thought it'd be really
and again,
just kind of neat.
It's like either your audio is working for
the Shootdang Ranch. I got Jared with me today.
Computer or whatever. That's Jared Crocker there in the background with Shootdang Ranch
into the creek bed that you guys have seen in his videos, and if you haven't seen it,
actually he is wearing a Shootdang Ranch shirt. I'm sorry, I cannot remember your name.
He's got lots of good footage.
Mindset. I apologize for that.
On YouTube,
but
Shootdang Ranch. So those are his two
I have no
channels.
clue. All my settings are fine. I recorded a video in OBS, played it, it works fine. I opened up my Elgato software, recorded a video in that, played it, it worked fine. Listened to the recording as I was recording it, it was working fine. Download the video from Elgato. Sound worked fine. Download the video from OBS. It worked fine. I obviously know it worked fine because I'm recording this in OBS. So again, it makes no sense. His intro is working fine, but as soon as he starts talking, it just cuts out. There's no. It's the only way I can describe it is it's like that. You have that option if somebody puts a copyright claim, or I guess it's a content match on your video, that for music or whatever. You can go in and mute that portion of, like, say if it's a song, you can go in and mute that portion. That's what it's like. It's like he's playing a popular song as soon as his intro ends, and he's muted. Instead of taking the video down, he's chosen to mute the portion that's been copyright match. That's the only thing that that even comes close to this. So I'm actually, when I'm going to tag Team YouTube in this video also, so maybe they might be able to give us some ideas. But there we go. If you have any idea on what can be causing this problem, please let us know. Because YouTube is one of those finicky things that who knows exactly what is going on. And as you can see right now, he is doing some digging. He has got his metal detector out, and go watch his video. Link will be in the description. Find out what he finds. Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving me your time. I really do appreciate it. This is the Bulldozer, and I'm out of here.
Let's just run this over.